Hey guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you how to make green tea coconut ice cream. Let's begin. You're going to need half a cup of green tea powder, 1 can of coconut cream, 1/3 cup of stevia, and 1/4 cup of almond milk. So first you're going to add the green tea powder, which you can get at the Asian store, the coconut cream, one-fourth cup of almond milk, and 1/3 cup of stevia into the blender. Then blend everything very well. Make sure the sides are scraped because as I was pouring the green tea ice cream into the container, I noticed that some of the powder stuck to the blender. So once it's finished, it's going to look like this. Then, if you don't have an ice cream maker, go ahead and pour it into an airtight container like what I have here, and then you're going to place it in the freezer for at least 6 hours or best overnight. But if you do have an ice cream maker, pour it straight into the ice cream maker, and you're going to let it sit in the ice cream maker for about 15 to 20 minutes. That's how long it took from my ice cream maker, which is a Cuisinart. And once it's finished, it should look like this. Then scoop it out from the ice cream maker into your serving bowl if you're serving it immediately. Add a cherry on top, and there you have it. You're all finished. Thanks for watching.
I wanna talk to you. I gotta talk to you. I wanna talk to you. I gotta talk to you. Let me hear your voice. Oh, let me hear your voice. I wanna talk to you. Oh, let me talk to you. I gotta see your face. I wanna feel that grace. I gotta see your face. I wanna feel that grace.
Going on a holiday to meet the sun and dodge the rain. Let's hope the weather stays nice. I've got a swimsuit in my bag, factor 15 in my hand. Let's hope the weather stays nice. The summer songs are playing in my ears, putting me in a good mood, 'cause I haven't been away for a long, long time. So needless to say, I'm slightly excited. Heading down to the sea, we stumbled across an empty beach. The sand was golden, the water was blue. It couldn't get better than this. And we said that this would be ours. And we said that this would be ours until the end of